To find the activity page on Temu, you first need to access the application, which can be downloaded from the App Store by searching for Temu and following the on-screen prompts to install it. Alternatively, you can access Temu through its website by typing www.temu.com into your browser. Creating an account and logging in is a seamless process that requires following the on-screen prompts and completing the verification steps. Once you have an account, you can navigate to the activity page. Although it's worth noting that there isn't a dedicated activity page on the Temu application. Instead, you can track your activities by going to your profile, where you can view your orders and other interactions with the application. To do this, simply head to your profile and click on the Others section, which will give you access to all of your activities, including your orders. While there isn't a specific activity page on Temu, you can easily view your activities by following these steps.